Precision is an essential consideration in every craft, but even the most reliable tools can succumb to wear and tear over time. The regular use of Lindström cutters can affect their accuracy and performance, and by consequence, the quality of your work. As such, we have launched a reconditioning service to give your Lindström Precision Cutters a second lease of life, bypassing the need to purchase new tools and supporting the circular economy in the process. Every Lindström Precision Cutter we recondition is treated with the utmost care and attention. Each tool undergoes a comprehensive inspection to identify any damage or potential issues affecting its performance. Our advanced grinding techniques restore the sharpness and geometry of each blade, ensuring optimal cutting precision. We meticulously inspect the alignment of the jaws, ensuring they are perfectly parallel when closed. Our experts chamfer the jaw's cutting edges according to the required cutting result, whether that's micro bevel, flush or ultra flush, and check each blade individually to correct any imperfections. The joint screw is checked and tightened, and, if necessary, we replace both the screw and nut, thoroughly cleaning the joint before inserting any new component. After laser marking the reconditioned tool, all cutters are upgraded with original Lindström ESD safe handles. Before finishing the reconditioning process, we conduct rigorous quality assurance checks, cutting wires of different diameters at various points along the length of the jaws, to ensure the tool meets our exacting standards.